Cultivating Indoor Gardens, creative ways to infuse nature into your home decor. Introduction: The allure of indoor gardens. Welcome to the Decor YouTube channel, where we explore innovative ideas in architecture and interior design. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of indoor gardens, creative ways to infuse nature into your home decor. As urban living continues to rise, many people find themselves yearning for a connection to nature, and what better way to achieve this than by cultivating indoor gardens? In this video, we'll discuss various strategies to bring greenery indoors, from selecting the right plants to designing captivating arrangements. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Benefits of indoor gardening. Indoor gardening offers a plethora of benefits beyond mere aesthetics. One of the most significant advantages is the positive impact on mental health. Studies have shown that surrounding yourself with plants can reduce stress and anxiety, enhance mood, and promote overall well-being. Additionally, indoor plants improve air quality by filtering toxins and releasing oxygen, making your home not only visually appealing but also healthier. Another benefit is the boost in creativity and productivity that many people experience when working or relaxing in green spaces. choosing the right plants for your space. The first step in cultivating an indoor garden is selecting the right plants for your specific environment. Consider factors such as light availability, humidity, and your ability to maintain plants. For bright, sunlit areas, you might choose succulents, cacti, or snake plants that thrive in direct sunlight. In lower light conditions, options like pothos, ZZ plants, or peace lilies can flourish. It's essential to consider your lifestyle as well. If you travel frequently or lead a busy life, opt for low-maintenance. Creative plant arrangements. Once you've chosen your plants, the next step is to think creatively about how to arrange them. A well-thought-out arrangement can turn an ordinary space into a stunning focal point. Consider using tiered plant stands to add height and interest, or mix and match different plant sizes and textures for a dynamic look. Grouping plants in odd numbers can create a more visually appealing arrangement. Additionally, don't hesitate to incorporate decorative pots that complement your home's color scheme and style. By playing with heights, colors, and shapes, you can create a captivating indoor garden. vertical gardening solutions. If space is at a premium, vertical gardening can be a game changer. Vertical gardens maximize your wall space by allowing you to create lush, green displays without taking up valuable floor area. You can use wall-mounted planters, hanging pots, or even shelves to create a stunning green wall. This not only adds a unique design element but also helps to purify the air in your home. Choose a variety of trailing and climbing plants to create depth and visual interest. As you explore vertical gardening options, think about incorporating art or lighting. Incorporating indoor herbs and edibles. A functional approach to indoor gardening is cultivating herbs and edible plants. This not only beautifies your space but also adds practicality to your cooking and meal preparation. Herbs like basil, rosemary, and mint can be easily grown in small pots on a kitchen windowsill. Not only do they provide fresh ingredients for your culinary endeavors, but they also release delightful scents that enhance your kitchen atmosphere. Consider creating a small herb garden using attractive containers that match your kitchen decor. This functional indoor garden allows you to enjoy the Creating a biophilic design. Biophilic design focuses on creating a connection between indoor spaces and the natural environment. Incorporating indoor gardens into your home decor is a fundamental aspect of this design philosophy. Use natural materials such as wood, stone, and organic textiles to complement your indoor garden. Arrange your plants in a way that mimics nature, grouping them together as they would grow in the wild. You might also consider incorporating natural light elements, such as skylights or large windows, to enhance the connection to the outdoors. By embracing biophilic design, you create a harmonious seasonal plant care and rotation. To keep your indoor garden looking fresh and vibrant, understanding seasonal plant care is crucial. Different plants have varying needs throughout the year, and adjusting your care routine accordingly can significantly impact their health. For example, many plants require less water in the winter months, while others may benefit from more humidity during the summer. Consider rotating your plants every few months to ensure they receive even sunlight exposure, especially if you have limited light sources. By staying attuned to your plant's needs, you can maintain showcasing indoor gardens as art. Your indoor garden can also serve as a form of art within your home. Think of it as an evolving masterpiece that adds life and beauty to your decor. Create focal points by using unique planters, artistic arrangements, or even incorporating sculptures among the plants. You can also use lighting to highlight specific areas of your indoor garden, drawing attention to its beauty. By treating your indoor garden as a work of art, you enhance not only its visual appeal but also the overall atmosphere of your home. Conclusion: your journey into indoor gardening. As we conclude our exploration of cultivating indoor gardens, it's clear that there are countless creative ways to infuse nature into your home decor. From choosing the right plants to arranging them thoughtfully and incorporating biophilic design, each aspect contributes to a beautiful and serene living space. We encourage you to embark on your own indoor gardening journey, experimenting with different plants and arrangements to find what works best for you. If you found this video insightful, please like and subscribe to the Decor YouTube channel for more inspiring